So, hello team. I hope you are well, fine, and good. So, welcome to this another video session where we'll be discussing about the TuxBot V3 evolution in next gen IoT botnet framework. So, what actually it is and how actually it operates, and what are the different modules that are been operating. So, how it is very important for our discussion. So, we will be covering everything in detail. So, please stay tuned and watch the video till the end and get the latest update regarding any cybersecurity news. So, coming to the discussion about the AI assistant, but not a perfect LLM model. So, the TOKEX V3 evolution actually shows a sign of being developed with assistance from LLM. Okay, so it shows that it is being developed by LLM model, large language model with mixed sort of result. So this is LLM generated code where discriminate this code is provided for educational purpose and research purpose only, for not for any kind of malicious things. Okay, so while the AI compiled with the request to generate botnet code, so it included a safety discriminator. Okay, so that the developer failed to remove before any sort of skipping. The Palo Alto Network Unit 42 is also one of the critical components of this evolution. So several functions in the analyzed sample failed to work correctly. A manual code review would have resolved these sort of errors as well, team. So lineage, lineage and influences. When we discuss about the lineage and influences, so Botex model framework traces its root to multiple botnet and open source tool. What are those? Those are Mirai, uh, AISURU and Wuhan. So the partially port function from MDOS Python DDoS toolkit. So a sample been uploaded to virus total on Jan 2026, 6 months active. So work on botnet likely begin 1 year before when MHDO DDoS repo was cloned from GitHub. So Go based C2 server, three key port that are been also been identified. Those are 199, 31337. Encrypted command dispatch to bot, 222. It is interactive. Okay, interactive cell SSH, 999 JSON interface from programmatic access. So coming to the TOKEX agent capabilities, so it can have a brute force tenet using 1496 credential pairs. Okay, very important. These are the capabilities of this botnet which we need to understand, folks. So exploit 30 plus IoT device families using known vulnerability. Along with that, it encrypts TCP channel C2 and also fallback channel if C2 reachable. That is all comes under uh, has S12 DGA P2P gossips IRC DNS text HTTP pooling are different botnet capabilities that are also been identified, folks. So the modular framework, when we discuss about that, the modular framework, or we can say multiple components that are been identified about this, is all about the C based bot agent, Go based C2 server, along with custom exploit VM, Docker based test infra, and automated build system, which consisting of CI/CD from multiple arc binaries. The cross compiles from multiple architecture, which consisting of ARM, MISP, MIP cell, MIPS 64, x86 64, PC, Power PC, and RISC V. So different cross compile from multiple architecture. So coming to the initialization sequence, what happens after the launch. One is load C2 addresses from multiple tier architecture, primary 1 5 alternative channel, where it anti debugs and anti VM protection check also been identified. Hides the process name, installs the persistent mechanism like system md cron and watchdog, and launches the sub module, which see you can see in the right of this, which has the mechanism, right? System cron entities and watchdog, keep alive, ensures the TOCX remains operational on the compromised missions. So part of big ecosystem, when we discuss about this, right, said infrastructure with Kaitia v3 3.9 AISURU tooling, cake ecosystem, the cake group, the cake group runs multiple IoT botnet variant in parallel. TOCX TuxBot is another variant in their portfolio, aiming to go beyond the Mirai, which encrypt C2 DGC module exploit, though not a fully recovered. So coming to the sub module launch, we need to understand DDoS attack are the one of the critical except of this DDoS attack, along with kill compensating processes, C2 channel scanner, telnet, SSH, HTTP, ADB, a SOC proxy, crypto mining, HTTP scanner. So not alone other merging botnet. So Totek is part of evolving threat landscape. Two different botnet have also been emerged that targets the routers, IP scanners, along with Android boxes, fully secured servers, and used to build network that render online services offline and conduct reconnaissance. So these are the different key takeaways, and LLM chain of thought left in code also I have highlighted, where the user wants to code this function. First we need to handle the socket, wait for the wait that would not work on MIP. Let try to different approach. Actually it should check the error. User asks for persistent next, adding cron in the system. So multiple file content raw, LLM chain of thought, reasoning to commands, self interruption, decision, and reference to the user developer. So these are the key takeaways, folks, which we need to understand. So one is AI is accelerating malware development, single developer, multi prolonged toolkit, multiple C2 channel and fallback mechanism, modular cross platform, highly automated. Then it has IoT device remained high valued, low security targets are the different key takeaways which we need to understand. So if you are new, please do a subscription to the channel, like the channel, share the channel as soon as possible for getting the latest update regarding any cybersecurity news, folks. I hope you have enjoyed the session regarding this TUCX bot v3 evolution. Let me end the video itself for you. So I hope you have enjoyed this.